What's going on, y'all? This is Quamon Fowler, the Texas tenor, coming to you actually playing the Iwi right now. And I wanted to do a lesson where I would actually cover how I approach playing over major chords. And as you can see on the screen, we have actually the major chords in all 12 keys, but they're arranged by a fourth away from each other. So a lot of times it's common for us to hear in a song, major chords moving in fourths. A lot of times we have that. So what I'm going to do in this particular lesson is just go over how you can use a line to play over all of these chords just to springboard into some other ideas. What I wanted to do is give you a line. It's just a descending line where I start on the seventh and I come down 7, 6, 5, and then 3, 2, 1. I'm going to take this shape, and what I'm going to do is play it through all of these keys. So this is Band in a Box, and I have the changes where we have 2 bars apiece, and I want to get a chance to play it through. You see that? Back at the top. So just that line alone, it helped me come up with some ideas starting on the 7th.